Hello viewers, in this video I am going to tell you about a concept that is ad fatigue in Facebook ads. What is ad fatigue? Let me tell you, ad fatigue is a situation where users stop responding on your ad creative because users have become bored of watching the same ad creative again and again multiple times. For example, if you are running an ad campaign with huge budget in the small location, then what would happen? Like, obviously, a limited users live in that particular area, and you have kept a good or high ad budget in your ad campaign. Then reach will stop coming in future days, in upcoming days, right? Initially your ad campaign would get maximum reach, but after certain reach would stop increasing, but the impressions would keep increasing, right? Means your ad frequency is increasing. The same group of users are watching your ad multiple times. Now what would happen next? If people watches your same ad creative multiple times, then they stop responding on that ad creative, because like the users interested in your ad creative have already responded on that ad campaign and you have received those enquiries. But after then, like, already you have received the number of enquiries of users who were interested in your product or service at that point of time. But now after certain days you are not receiving the number of enquiries that you used to receive in past, because now no more users are interested in your product or services, and they are watching the same ad creative, so they are not getting convinced or attracted towards your product and services. And after watching the same ad creatives multiple times, whenever the your ad is displayed or played on the users meta platforms like Facebook or Instagram, then initially the user needs were like having behavior of watching your ad creative for a longer duration. But now, as they have already seen your ad creative, what those guys are doing, they are just scrolling your ad creatives whenever it appears on their screen. They are not engaging with your ad creative. So that particular situation is of ad fatigue, and in ad fatigue situation you will get lesser result in a higher budget, and your ad performance keeps downgrading. So now, how to resolve this ad fatigue issue? You can create multiple ad creatives in the single ad set of single ad campaign. How? You can simply click on this triple dot of ad creative level and you can click on duplicate, and I want 5 copies, suppose. Duplicate, and now you can use different ad creatives, different banners, different videos, different ad creatives of your product and service in the same ad campaign, so that ad fatigue will get reduced, users will interact with your newer ad versions and will start responding, as each and every ad creative have different attraction power, right? So ad fatigue is that situation when you use higher ad budget for smaller location or for limited number of users. You are showing your ad creatives multiple times and the ad frequency is too much, and reach stops coming, and impression keeps growing, and people stops responding. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore the course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.